Hi friends! As we start reaching freezing temperatures again, it's time to consider how to protect your pipes and your outdoor spigots from freezing, so that you don't have to contact a plumber such as myself or someone else and end up paying them your hard-earned money to make repairs. We've talked about different methods to avoid a freeze in the past, but today I'm going to share with you a product that I've found that I'm using on my own home that I'm a really big fan of. I'm not sponsored by this product. They're not paying me for this. It's just something that I genuinely am using at my home. I think it's really helpful, and it may help many of you as well. One of the most common ways that people will attempt to winterize their spigots would be to shut off the valve inside of the home and then open up the faucet and let that water drain out. There are applications where this is foolproof. That's all you need to do. If your valve, say, is right inside of a heated space, the pipe's going down to the spigot, you're going to get all that water drained out. Shouldn't be an issue. But there are also many spigots, such as some of the ones on my own home, where you shut off the valve inside, and then you've got a riser that goes up to the spigot. In that case, that water in that riser is not going to typically come out of there. It's not going to usually siphon out. It's going to stay standing in there in the exterior wall, and it usually freezes and breaks. In fact, most of the spigot replacements that I have to do after a freeze are not because the spigot itself broke, but because that exact situation was used and the line in the wall still froze and broke. So this product right here is called a freeze miser. This is perfect for those kind of situations, or if you're just unsure how to properly winterize, if you're going out of town for a little bit, you want to be able to let water trickle when it gets cold, but you don't want to let it trickle the entire time you're gone. What this product does is it actually senses the temperature of the water that's in the spigot. When that temperature reaches about 37 degrees, it's going to open up internally and allow water to trickle out ever so slightly, just enough to keep it moving. Once the warmer water that's in your home reaches the point of this product, it's going to close back up again and stop that flow. And again, when it cools back down, hits 37 degrees, it'll open back up and trickle. So it'll maintain that flow for you, helping protect the spigot, as well as the piping right there in the wall, as we're keeping that warm water continuously reaching this point, or at least warmer than freezing. The way this operates, very, very simple. If you know how to install a garden hose onto a spigot, you can handle this product. So we're going to take this faucet that has not been winterized. So we got full blast. We're going to go ahead and thread this on, just like we would a hose. And we'll then open the spigot up entirely. As you see, we don't have any water coming through right now. That's because we're not at 37 degrees right now. We're still above that where I am. But once we hit that point, it's going to allow water to slowly trickle out of there. It'll shut back off, and it'll just continuously do that as needed to protect your system. I'm going to include a link in to this product in the description below. Again, I'm not sponsored. They're not paying me for it. However, this is an affiliate link, which means that if you do click it and make a purchase, I will get a very small commission at no additional cost to you. So if you choose to do so, thank you for your support. It does help me out with these videos. If not, hey, that's okay too. Hopefully this is something that you'll find helpful. Maybe you've already got your own means of winterizing, and that's perfectly fine. This is just another option. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and Happy New Year.